In this video, I want to go over the remove exclamation marks problem on Codewars. And what I want you to do is to write a function, remove exclamation marks, which removes all exclamation marks from a given string. Now, if we look down here to an example, it's pretty straightforward, but you see this is the string that will provide us as input. It'll be called S, and what they want us to return is that same string, but with all the exclamation marks removed. This one has 3, all of them removed. As you can see, just remove the exclamation marks. Now, there's a function in Python that makes this incredibly simple, and we can just create a variable called z and set it equal to our string s. Now, strings have certain methods called replace, so we can just say replace. This replace function takes in 2 parameters. The first one being what we want to replace in the string. The second one being with what we want to replace that with, and we want to replace it with nothing, essentially. And then all we do is we return z. And if we attempt this, as you can see, all 45 test cases passed. So that was the remove exclamation marks problem on Codewars. It was a very simple one, but if you learned something new, I would appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed, and I will see you guys in future tutorials.